Hello, this is our project, Kinetic Assemblies. It's a complete solution for PCB assembly or printed circuit boards, which are the main components in every electronics project. Our project combines the three main parts of manufacturing PCBs into one single device. Our main use cases are small businesses and startups who do not have a big enough volume of boards to send to an international company to manufacture, and too many boards to assemble by hand, and also educators and hobbies to lower the barrier of entry into electronics.